Thank you for your interest in our Universal Pronunciation Dictionary. This dictionary will show you the correct pronunciation of words in any language. What's more, you can actively participate in making this dictionary better for yourself and for everyone else in the world who refers to this dictionary. In this video, we will explain the use of our web-based Wikilipi app. The app is your primary method of accessing the dictionary to locate pronunciations and also to add your own words to the shared dictionary database. The app will work on all devices that use a secure internet browser. This means that you can enjoy using it on many devices, such as Android and iOS smartphones, as well as Windows PCs and Macs. The app uses a secure HTTPS protocol. You can feel comfortable knowing that your privacy is protected. Even so, we urge you to avoid entering any personal information that you do not want to share with strangers. Are you ready? To access the app, type wikilipi.com in your favorite browser and press enter. The app displays the Wikilipi welcome screen. Mispronunciation of words, and especially people and place names, is a nightmare that we all endure. Sometimes we get extremely annoyed and frustrated when people repeatedly mispronounce our own names. People even make snap and erroneous judgments about us when they hear us speak. Unfortunately, until now, we did not have a way of easily letting other people find the correct pronunciations of common words and names. To further complicate matters, pronunciations can change based on location. An interesting tidbit: did you know that there are more than 10 different ways to say the name Maria? As you are aware, even the spellings of words written in the language's native script are not very accurate. Wikilipi.com is our effort to fix this intolerable situation. The site relies on a crowdsourcing model to make it better. Remember, even though the current emphasis is on proper names, that is people and place names, the app will work for any word in any language. You can help us tremendously by contributing spellings and pronunciations to our database. As more words get added, the app gets better and better. We will give more details later in this video. We truly appreciate your contributions. Please note that this app is totally free for non-commercial users. Now tap on the Try Now button to learn how to actually use the app and see how it can benefit you as well as the rest of the world. This is the main screen of the Wikilipi.com app. At the top of the screen are some tabs, whose functions we will describe later in the video. This box has a light green background. As you type, you will see suggested words appearing below. If one on the words is exactly the one that you want, select it by tapping the word. In the context of Wikilipi, word means any text separated by a space. This word can be typed in Roman script, Devanagari script, even Chinese and Japanese scripts. Of course, you will need to type the word using the native language keyboard of that script. See the example shown on the screen. Now, tap Convert. You will see the words converted to Ekalipi in the white box below. If the Ekalipi spelling is found in the database, you will see the word in green letters. If multiple Ekalipi spellings are found, you will see the word in pink letters. To see all the alternative Ekalipi spellings, right-click or tap and hold the word to see the available spellings. You can also add a new spelling yourself, if you like. If the Ekalipi spelling is in red, this means that the word is not found in our database. Please add a spelling for it yourself. To clear the input and output text, tap the broom icon. The speaker button is a planned feature. It speaks the converted text using special text-to-speech software. Right now, it doesn't work very well. We are working on fixing it. Stress characters tell you if the earlier syllable should be stressed, that is spoken louder than the rest. We will provide more details in a new blog post soon. To see Ekalipi spellings without the special hyphen identifier, check character for conjunct consonants. To see your current contributions and those of others, please click the Contributions tab. Tap on the Dictionary tab to search for specific words. Let's proceed to an explanation of how to add pronunciations of words. In this chapter we will explain why you should add words to Ekalipi's pronunciation database yourself. Wikilipi.com relies on and needs your help to make our database the best database for people to learn how to pronounce words correctly. Our superior approach, what we like to call human intelligence, allows you, a human being, to decide and dictate the accurate pronunciation of words. This is different from the machine intelligence approach used by others, in which complex and unreliable algorithms attempt to guess the pronunciations. Of course, the human intelligence solution depends on everyone contributing their knowledge and expertise. So, in addition to searching for words whose pronunciation you do not know, please try using Wikilipi.com with words which you know how to pronounce. English spelling especially is notoriously unreliable in telling us how to pronounce words. Remember that the correctly pronounced words only have to be added once. Our QA team will review, make any necessary corrections, then upload your submission to the database. Once that happens, not just you, the whole world will benefit. Even though English words and, especially names written in Roman script, are initially our focus, please do not let it stop you from adding words in other languages that are written in their native script. You can add pronunciations for missing words, the ones in red, and words for whom you know additional pronunciation, the ones in green and pink. Most important, have fun and a sense of satisfaction that you are contributing to a worthwhile cause. It is also something that will provide a lasting benefit to the world. Now let's move on to actually adding a word. As an example, we will try to add a missing word to our database. Right-click or tap, then tap on Add Plus. In the next part we will show you how to add the word. Wikilipi will display the Add Ekalipi word. First box. Please enter your email address so that we can keep account of how many words you have contributed. Contributing a lot of words will make you famous. We will also inform you about new releases. Second box. The word in the input box cannot be changed. If it's not the word for which you want to add a pronunciation, go back by clicking on the small X icon. Third box. Erase the spelling suggested by Wikilipi and type the correct spelling in Ekalipi script. The suggested spelling is usually wrong. It is only meant to be a suggestion. Tap the letters, or use the PC's mouse, using the on-screen keyboard. Please see this blog, if you are new to Ekalipi. Fourth box. Enter a 2-digit identification for the region and a 2-digit identification of the sub-region. If you are entering a new word, we recommend WW, for worldwide. If your word is specific to a country or region, type a 2-letter abbreviation, for example IN for India or JP for Japan. Next, enter a 2-digit identification for a subregion if the pronunciation is specific to that subregion. For example, MH for Maharashtra, a state within India. Here is a brief overview of the icons. The speaker button plays the audio of the Ekalipi spelling. It is an experimental version and the audio quality is poor. Our team is currently working on this. If the background of the human speaker icon is white instead of gray, this means that we have a human recording for this word. Click the icon to hear the recording. Click on the microphone to record the pronunciation of the word. A small window will open allowing you to perform the recording. Please record the pronunciation of the word in a quiet environment using a good quality microphone.
Rameshwar.
You can record multiple times until you are satisfied with the result. The save icon saves your submission to a temporary database. All submissions are reviewed by our in-house QA team before being added to the official database. If you have made any errors, the QA team will correct them for you. You can check the status of your submission in the Contributions tab on the main screen. In case you want to start over, the broom icon clears the data that you have already entered. Using the on-screen Ekalipi keyboard. We have created the on-screen Ekalipi keyboard to assist you in typing the correct Ekalipi pronunciation. It is very similar to other on-screen keyboards, so you will find it very easy to use. What makes the keyboard unique is that when typing in Ekalipi, each character only has one specific sound. To put it simply, what you type is what you and everyone else will hear. We have added some features to make this task easier. You can hear the sound of a letter as you tap it, or hover over it using the PC mouse. Also, you can type continuously simply by moving the mouse over a character and pausing for a brief interval, about half a second.
D
A
V S D Z.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you will help us by adding lots of words and alternative pronunciations to make our pronunciation dictionary database popular. Spread the word. Please encourage your friends to participate. Happy crowdsourcing. Please like, share and comment on social media. We love your feedback.